just preparing the stuff for this video.
Remember me?
So you can just watch Hard Henry. Also, I'm preparing the stuff.
Come on, Fang. Climb
This
inside.
is a cat one.
All right. Come on, little Fangy, Fangy. Who's a pretty boy?
I talked about him
Little
in my
Fangy, little
start video.
Fangy. I love you.
Chatting
I
about
love you.
Helen Keeley, or whatever it's called.
What are you doing? Nothing. Stupid cat. Get off. Leave me alone.
Sorry guys, I'm going to keep that.
Whatever is going on here?
Fang's being horrid to Fluffy.
That's not true. Put Fang away now, Henry. You haven't got time to play with him. Oh, look at your room. It's even more of a mess than usual. Oh, you can tidy it later. Can you empty all the rubbish bins now? Oh, come on, Fang. Time to go back. When I'm king, only parents will have to do chores.
Sorry guys, so I just wanted to keep this up.
Emptying the bin.
Sorry,
I don't think that's
sorry.
what Mum meant. I'm going to tell.
You don't have to. Worm.
Oh, sorry guys, sorry guys, sorry guys. Sorry about that.
Henry? Yes? Oh, have you emptied all the bins? Yes. Can I go to Ralph's now? We've only just started, Henry. Dad wants you to help him wash the car. It's for you.
Henry, I'll be back in a minute. Make sure you wash the windows too.
What? That'll take forever. I can't wash the windows if they're not there, can I? I'll finish the car off for Dad. That'll speed things up a bit.
Okay, I might just do it as I go. This is what you can start with.
Henry, what are you up to?
Nothing, Dad.
Just,
I finished cleaning the car. Can I go to the...
No, Mum wants you upstairs.
Okay,
Now.
glue the tail on.
Right.
This,
I want you to
It's the
take the
tail.
laundry down to the basement.
I know, I'm
My
gonna do
arms are
that.
aching. They're going to drop off. Don't be ridiculous, Henry. And don't forget to separate the whites from the colours.
And then, it's another. Yeah, next,
Mum said we've got to
Start
separate the colours from
doing
the
the
whites.
head.
So, what are you going to do about it, Telltale?
I'm going to tell. Mum!
Who cares what colours they are?
Henry,
Did you do what I said? Yes, it's all sorted. Good. Then you can tidy your room now. This is torture. Come want to tidy my room later. I want to go to Ralph's. Not until you've finished. Empty the bin, wash the car, do the laundry. I'm just your slave. And pick up your socks. They're all over the floor. That's where I picked them.
And don't forget to hoover, Henry.
Like this, and then
Don't be worried, Henry. Now get on with it, please. The sooner I know. Why do parents always make you tidy your room? It's like you get untidy again. So why not just save time and leave it the way it is?
and then
I hate picking up socks.
just get any coloured pom-pom, like out of pom-pom, and take it on,
Henry, you just hoovered that pair of your
or
socks.
sew it on,
I know.
whatever you're gonna do.
Mum will be really cross.
Like that. And then just pick the little rendering whiskers on.
Henry?
Henry, you're filthy. What happened? I finished my chores. I've emptied the bins. I've cleaned the car. I put the washing on, tidied my room, and picked up all my socks. Now, please, can I go to Ralph's? All right, you go and change while I just hang out the washing. Yes! Life is sweet.
Henry!
You wanted to go to Ralph's, so you're going. But not like this! Nonsense! I'm sure Ralph doesn't mind what you wear. It's not fair!
It would be easy to just like draw them and I'll cut them out. Yeah. Oh, and pick some little bins with your eyes on too.
There's no point pretending you don't like school dinners, Henry.
But I don't not like them. I hate them.
Well, you've got to eat something.
Yuck! Just look at this gunk! Revolting ravioli, mushy macaroni, curd and custard, and what's that?
Like
I'm poisoned!
and
Poisoned!
then just cut out some whiskers. I mean ears, not whiskers, sorry.
Yes! No more school dinners for me! Now off to the packed lunchroom and food you can eat, and you can swap, and food you can enjoy.
I'm feeling a little better then, Henry.
No, I must be allergic to school dinners, miss.
Nonsense.
Oh, sorry guys. Again.
Extra helping.
I'll be back in a moment. I've got to pick everything up.
Think of moving till you've eaten.
Then I'll be back to you.
You just can't be a good salad, can you? Wicked.
Oh, and I just got an idea of something to do.
N-O no spells no. It's too
I'll
much
pick
work.
that up in a
And you
minute.
never eat what we give you. And I hate school dinners!
I love school dinners. They're delicious.
Silence, worm.
Then just start gluing
You told me to shut up.
these
Don't
on.
be horrid, Henry. Please! Please, can I have a lunch?
Well, if you promise to eat everything,
Packed lunchroom, here I come!
you're one of us now, Henry. Thank you, Henry. You have given us a perfect demonstration as to why this lunchroom is out of control. You all know Greta from the cafeteria. She is now in charge of the lunchroom. Her assignment is to keep order, and she will monitor your lunchboxes to make sure you're eating everything up.
Right, everyone return to your seats, open your lunchboxes, and eat. I'm not letting the demon dinner lady spoil my fun.
Like that, maybe you can do better,
Hey, that's
but yeah.
not anymore.
Thanks for
It's
watching.
confiscated.
Have a good day, guys.
Right, my muffin. Yes, I did. Huh?